Gentlemen, we are live. Okay. How to quit smoking. And this is coming from an ex smoker. I started smoking around when I was 17 and I quit when I was about 25. Um, and so just know that this advice is coming from an ex smoker and a heavy smoker. I chain smoked when I used to go clubbing a lot as well. Finish a cigarette, bang, another one. So I know how it is. But first, I just want to help you understand that you have to understand why you smoke. Some people do it to look cool. Some people to do with trauma. Some people to do with stress. Some do it just simply for the nicotine, but there's healthier ways to get nicotine anyway. But that's a topic for another video. But first, you just need to understand why you smoke. That's the first step in any beating any addiction. What's the root cause? What's the root purpose of why you smoke or why you take that part in that addiction, and just becoming self-aware of that, accepting it, taking responsibility for it, and understanding this is a situation, how do we work from here onwards. So understand for yourself why you smoke. For me, it was to look cool in the beginning and then became an addiction, and I started associating every emotion you can think of with smoking. So with the happy, sad, angry, excited, anything else, used to associate it with a cigarette. So I understood why I smoked, and then I hit 25, and a few things happened in my life. My dad was also a heavy smoker as well. Not blaming him whatsoever. I'm just saying that to give context. And so a few things happened at 25. Had high cholesterol. I was getting out of shape, and I had been in shape for a long time since I was 16 and started my fitness journey. So, and somehow I still stayed fit while smoking. It was just pure raw masculine spirit that carried me through those 9 years or so. Um, and but time was running thin in that it wasn't sustainable, and it was catching up to me. So I had to make a few choices, and a couple of things happened at home, and I needed to step up. Uh, what else happened? Yeah, I just started from 25 onwards. I really just went on a warpath against all my bad habits. But let's focus on smoking for a second. Um, how I first I want to share the mindset shift, and then I want to share how to take action in a practical manner. So the mindset shift was basically, okay, if you want to quit smoking, the best way to quit any addiction, from my personal experience, there must be any like other ways. But if you've tried many ways and it hasn't worked, try my way, or you can just try my way first because I feel like it's very very strong. So you want to quit smoking now. Take note of any other goals you want to achieve. Let's just say you want to get healthy. You want to spend more time with your family. You want to have more energy at the end of the day after work. You want to improve gut health. You want to stop having headaches, migraines. You want to stay hydrated. You want to get stronger in the gym, or you want to get stronger in the particular sport you play, or just in general in life. You want to improve your grip strength. You want to have more of a mood. Now you write down all these goals. Now, what's the what's the word I'm looking for? It's like you want to synthesize or synchronize all your goals and understand that for you trying to quit smoking, what that's going to do is allow you to achieve the other goals you've set for yourself. So you've kind of synchronized quitting smoking with all these massive, really, really solid goals you have. And then now it's going to improve your chances of quitting smoking or beating any addiction that you may have. So that's the mindset shift, and the action shift would be start with moderation and then go into cold turkey. So moderation would be stop smoking in the morning, then stop smoking at night, and then before you do that, what I did was just stop smoking at work, so only in the morning and night, and then you kind of just shift into not smoking during certain parts of the day, and then before you know it, you'll only be having one a day, and then a few a week, and then when you've reached that stage, bang, just try cold turkey. It took me 3 times cold turkey to eventually quit properly. I think the first time I lasted a month, the second time was a year, and the third time was until however long it's been since quit smoking. So hope that helps. Let me know how long you've been smoking for, how you tried in the comments, and then maybe we can work something out. But happy to help, and let's keep going.